In this video, we'll see how to download Turbo C++. First, open Google Chrome and type Turbo C++ download. Open the link to the File Eagle website. And click on Turbo C++ 3.2 zip to download the file. You can see the file is downloading in download history. Once the download is complete, open the file and extract the zip file you downloaded. You can choose the location where to extract it by clicking on Browse option. After extracting, open the folder. You'll see multiple files. Double-click on Turbo C++ 3.2. A setup window will appear. Click Next, then accept the terms and conditions. Click Next again, then Install. And finally, finish. Now, you can see that Turbo C++ has been successfully downloaded and installed. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.